Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Margate, Florida. And today we installed the product that I have in my personal vehicle. What is it? Well, you'll see in a second. By the way, that is our telephone number. If you have good questions, we have good answers. So feel free to give us a call. You can ask for John, our general manager, who is behind the camera and actually answers the phones and has the best answers. You can ask for me, Buddy, Joel, we all here to help you. So what do we have here today? Well, we have a 2024 Chevy Silverado, and we just put on the Roll and Lock E-Series and XT. So what does that mean? Well, the E-Series is basically the electric one. That's right, you're going to get two little remotes with it, and it lights it up as well as open it. And the XT is referring to the T-slot. Now, if you look very closely, what do I have on my truck? I got a Roll and Lock E-Series XT on my truck. That's right. So I like the Roll and Lock. I think it's a great product. Everything you see on my truck, you could put it on here. So if you like those Go Rhino racks, you want the truck seal elevate system, all that can be put on here. Also, by the way, Buddy's truck, which is the big black Tundra over here, that has an E-Series Roll and Lock on as well. Now, he bought it before they came out with the XT. So let's go ahead and show you how everything works here. So let's go open this up here. Now, if you look here, you hit the little button there. Now, if you notice, I just pushed it one time. Now, if I need to stop it, I just push it again. If I want to reverse it, push it again. So, nice and quiet. Now, what I like about the E-Series, it is an all aluminum. That's right, it is a metal cover. It's not the vinyl one here. And I like that a lot. If you look very closely, you'll notice that the canister in there is extremely small. Look how much room you have underneath that canister. Also, you'll see the drainage system to the left and right here. So you don't lose a lot of space, if very little at all. This is probably, when it comes to an electric cover, this will be probably the best one for space underneath there. Now, we're gonna be putting a bed rug on this next, but today we have the E-Series on here. Again, you can see it's all clamped in here. Now, if you want to install this yourself, it's not the hardest thing out there. It's probably from a scale of 1 to 10, it's a 6. I mean, of course, we do it all the time, so we're very good at it. We put a 1-year labor guarantee in everything we do. Now, this is gonna have a 5-year warranty on this one from Roll and Lock, which is very good. So, now this one does not qualify for the double the warranty, but they do let me bring it from 5 to 6 years, which is still pretty good. So again, it's super smooth. I like it a lot. I think it looks great. It matches the bed caps on this truck. It's been around a long time. Roll and Lock is a Florida company, so it's made here in the USA, and it's literally 15 minutes from my store, which really comes in handy for me if I ever need parts or anything. I find these very reliable. I mean, like I said, it's on my personal truck. The most important thing is look at all the things you can add to your tracks. So if you want to put a kayak on the back of your truck, yes, you can do a kayak. You want to put a safari basket, you can do that. There's so many things you can do. Once you have a T-slot, you can just put some tie downs in here. Whatever it is, you can do that. Now, a couple of things I need to mention for you. So you got your 5-year warranty. If we put it on, it goes to 6. This holds 300 pounds, evenly distributed. Now, a lot of times people think when they buy these covers, they are getting a submarine. It is not waterproof. I'm so sorry to tell you the truth. I have people all the time, well, the other place said it was waterproof. And I go, well, they're just trying to make the sale, and they're just going to tell you anything. Then when you buy it, you're going to realize, oh, it's not waterproof. I'm going to be honest with you. None of the covers are waterproof. They're not designed for that. They are very good at keeping the water out. They're water resistant or weather resistant, depending how you want to put it. This one's not too bad. They got a nice little seal here. If you see it with my fingers here, the rails do a great job at sealing. The canister, if any water gets in the canister, just drains it out. So they do a lot for that. But when you have like these multi-function tailgates where there's all kinds of, if you look here, you see little gaps in here. The cover is not designed to fill that gap up. So these are things that, common sense. I hate to say common sense is not very common anymore, but just, don't put in your most important paperwork in the back of your bed. Oh my God, what? Why? Don't do that, okay? Again, it's a great product. I like it. Obviously, I have a choice of a lot of different products. This is my baby here. I love my Ram, and this is the cover I put on my Ram, and I've been very happy. I get lots of compliments on it. It is pretty cool that I just, like when I go park and I'm back camping, I push it one time, I start pulling my stuff out. I don't have to hold the button. I like that a lot. Oh, by the way, it does have an LED light. So if you look in there, you can see if I can It's a little bright here, but it's hard to see. Let me see if I close it, you can see a little bit more. You can kind of see it. So at night, it does a great job. Now what's nice is a lot of times, like this has lights in the back here, and this is a light in the front. So between the two, it's gonna light up the bed, no problem whatsoever. So, and again, let's go ahead and show you this one here, see? Because a lot of people ask, hey, can you still use your multi-function tailgate? Yes, you can use it, no problem whatsoever. Again, if you like this product, we can ship it anywhere in the country, or you can come here. Of course, we can put it on for you. But if you want to do it yourself, if you buy it from us, and I'm using the words, if you buy it from us, I'll be happy to walk you through any of the instructions you need. Because I hate to say, sometimes you call Real Truck and they're so busy, they don't pick up the phone. I don't know what it is. But if you buy it from us, we will pick up the phone. We'll walk you through any questions you might have. As you know, from the 3,800 now videos we have, we do this all the time. And it's nice to know before you buy it from us, do these guys know what they're doing? Watch our videos. Then you know we know what we're doing. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and this is a review of the Roll and Lock E-Series with the XT rail on a 24 Chevy Silverado 1500. And before I go, hit that like button. We really appreciate it. Thank you.